This might be the silliest but most funeral related thing I've ever done a 2-minute video on. So we've got funeral potatoes. Now somebody said this the other day and I was like, I'm going to just do a video on it because it's kind of fun. So if you have not had funeral potatoes, where have you been? So this became a huge thing several years ago, that ladies and men who brought food for luncheons were bringing this same potato concoction, and it became titled funeral potatoes. And you'll find that now the recipes, when you look them up online, they are called funeral potatoes. These cheesy, bubbly deliciousness you'll find throughout the year too, though. I see a lot of people making these for Thanksgiving and Christmas and Easter. So a lot of family gatherings have gotten these at them. And I think because they are filled with comfort and just tradition. So from Lauren on laurenslatest.com, I pulled up her recipe. And so they've got butter, onion, hash brown, condensed cream of chicken soup, sour cream, grated cheese, and that's it. And you mix it all together, put it in a casserole dish, bake it, and eat it. What I loved on her website is she had topping options. I always liked just cornflakes for that little crunch to go along with the mushy potatoes, but she had like crackers and potato chips and french fried onions and bacon. Who doesn't want bacon if they're grieving? So check out funeral potatoes, make them, let me know what you think of them. I'll post the link to her recipe. Thanks guys, funeral potatoes.